Hi, let me ask you a question. What if your next 4 years in Insti looked like 2 a.m. rehearsals, traveling across the country with your best friends for dance competitions, jumping into spontaneous ciphers, standing ovations after months of hard work, and finding friends who become family for life? Welcome to Korea Club IIT Madras. This is Akshita, the head of Korea Club for the year 2026 to 27. We're the official dance club, a team brought together by one thing, our love for dance. Whether you've been dancing for years or have never learned to step in your life, you'll always find a place here. I joined choreo without knowing a single dance style. Now I can't imagine my Insta life without it. Every journey has a beginning, and for most freshies, that beginning is Club Weekender. It's your chance to meet our members, play games, jump into ciphers, and experience what choreo is actually about. More importantly, it's the first time you'll watch our contingent perform live on stage. And if you're anything like us, you'll leave wanting to be up there someday. Once you're hooked, there's no shortage of opportunities to learn. Every semester we host FWF, frequently with frequency, where our contingent teaches fun choreographies to the entire student body. Ever wanted to dance to songs like Durandar, Peelings, Katamela, and all the latest chartbusters? This is exactly why I do it. No auditions, no native experience, just music, dancing, and a lot of fun. And before you know it, it's a time for one of the most memorable nights of your college life, Freshie Night. An integral part of every Insti student's college journey. It's your chance to step on the stage, perform alongside fellow freshies, and experience the thrill of dancing in front of an entire crowd. Whether you've danced before or not, come be a part of our Freshie Night dance numbers. You might just discover a new passion. Right out of the show, we celebrate with Choreo's annual pizza party. Think of it as a perfect after party. Grab a slice, unwind after the performances, get to know our contingent members better, share stories, make friends, and kickstart your choreo journey in the best way possible. And when we're not practicing for our performances, we're still dancing anyways. Jam is our open dance cipher where anyone can step in a circle, freestyle, cheer each other on, and simply celebrate dance culture. Now, for people who are looking for a step further, we have our very own Spark workshop. Professional choreographers visit our campus to teach the foundations of Western dance styles, giving students an opportunity to learn directly from industry experts. But everything we do throughout the year builds up to one incredible season, December. An entire month of tireless practice, entire days spent rehearsing, endless corrections, countless retakes, sore muscles, late nights, and some of the toughest days you'll go through. But also the most rewarding. That's when we travel together as one team to represent IIT Madras at Inter-IIT, competing against every other IIT in the country in some of the biggest stages in the country. The 2 a.m. rehearsals were very exhausting, but I'd do every single one of them all over again. And after Inter-IIT, we come home. Home to the biggest and brightest stage of them all, Sarang. Our flagship production, Choreo Night, is where months of hard work finally comes alive. It's a stage where choreo has consistently brought home podium finishes and laurels for IIT Madras year after year. But that's not all. Sarang also hosts some of the country's biggest dance competitions. Streets, judged by international judges. Freestyle solo, Just Do It, events that bring together some of the most exceptional dancers all together on one stage. Now that Sarang is over, our even semester has a favorite too, Salsa Social. You don't need a partner, you don't even need prior salsa dancing experience. Just show up, meet new people, experience Latin dance, and spend an evening celebrating music, culture, and the dance community. Sometimes all it takes is one dance to make a new friend or more. Choreo is more than dance. It's about learning, finding your place under the spotlight. Journeys that begin with rehearsals and end on unforgettable stages, growing through every challenge, laughter echoing through our late nights, celebrating victories that belong to each and every single one of us, finding the people who stay with you long after your 4 years at IIT Madras is over. This club has become my family. So, whether you're a trained dancer or someone simply curious enough to take that first step, we'll be waiting for you. See you on the dance floor.